the most abundant element in our universe, clean hydrogen holds the potential to meet global future energy needs. At Parker, we've been pioneering its application for over 50 years. From our work harnessing hydrogen on NASA's Apollo moon missions, to enabling engineering breakthroughs that lead to a better tomorrow. From production to storage, distribution to end use, we're here to support our partners across their entire hydrogen ecosystem. Locally or globally, from prototyping to scaling, ensuring safety, purity and quality. Bringing our engineering vision, unparalleled product range and understanding of compliance to help our partners navigate their own energy transition. We're clear on the importance of hydrogen in our energy future and the role we play in shaping that. It's fair to say, when it comes to hydrogen, we're in our element.
Good day, everyone. My name is Pernilla Nimmermark, and I work as a Marcom leader for the Nordic countries at Parker, and I will be your host for today. I would like to wish you all welcome to our live stream on the topic of hydrogen, the versatile gas that has been dubbed as the fuel of the future. From powering vehicles and homes to providing a clean source of energy for industrial processes, hydrogen has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Today, we will explore the latest advancements in hydrogen technology and discuss the opportunities and challenges associated with its adoption. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the exciting world of hydrogen. Before we start, I have some practical things. This event will be recorded, also the breakout sessions. Everything will be made available to you after the event. During the whole event, you will be on mute. Questions can be placed in the window below the agenda, and if you have any comments or something that you wish to share with the rest of the audience, please use the chat. Soon I will introduce the first speaker, but prior to that I will browse you through today's agenda. Firstly, Tomas Karlsson will give us information, an introduction to Parker's technologies for a sustainable